Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel for beauty makeup fun. In today's video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I created this look using all new products that I haven't tried yet. I get so many products like in my subscription boxes, and they tend to kind of just pile up because I don't do my makeup all the time. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna step out the house. Let me go ahead and glamour it up because, like I said, I haven't done my makeup in a long time, and you know, sometimes a girl needs it, and I'm totally feeling it right now. Totally feeling it. Love the stuff that I used. So if you want to see how I created this look and what products I used, keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Tarte Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Okay, oh, that does feel very creamy. And it smells good. It smells like nice lotion. Okay, so this is the part where I might have to end up using my actual foundation. So this is the Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation. I found this in TJ Maxx and it was like a ridiculous price. I think it was like $10 or maybe like less than $10, and I was like, bro, I cannot not buy it, right? Yes. So I bought it in the shade, what shade did I find? Bamboo. Now I do have a Becca foundation. This one is the Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and this one is in Cafe. But I always felt like this one was too light, and I think Bamboo is like the shade after. Or for all I know, it's a shade before. But let's see how this one works out. I hope it matches me well. If not, I'll just go in with my actual foundation that I use all the time. It looks very thick. Well, you know, like it's not like running. So, oh, this actually might not be bad. Might be a little too orange. Actually, I wonder how you see it on camera, but it doesn't look terrible here. There's too much water in my sponge. Okay, it might be like a little, like a hint too orangey actually, but maybe not, because once I blend it in, it's good. Coverage, not so much, so I'm definitely gonna go in with a little bit extra because I like mucho coverage. Yeah, it actually worked out well. Best 10 bucks I ever spent. I'm pretty sure it was something like less than 10 bucks. Like I remember when I saw it, I was like, what the what? TJ Maxx? Bro. Alright, so far I am digging the color. I feel like maybe even in the summer it might work out like way better, because it is a hint, just a hint like orangey, I guess you can say. I don't know. Anyway, so let's move on to my favorite part, my brows. So let's go ahead and fill it. This is just my regular, this one I'm cheating with. This is my regular dip brow. I forgot what the fuck I use. I use Ebony, the darkest one, Ebony. All right, let me zoom in here. You know what I just realized? I may have fucked up something. I haven't done a full face of makeup in a long time, so I'm like very excited. Look at that. And we'll just go ahead and brush up these little hairs. So let me go ahead and do the next one, and I'll be right back. Ooh, I don't want to put too much. And the brows are done. And the brows are done. And the brows are done. I'm telling you, I haven't done my makeup in a while, so I am really like, I'm really feeling myself right now. Okay, now for the eyes, I'm going to be using the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. I really like this one. Like when I opened it, I was like, ooh. Let me just show you here real quick. Look at that. So cute. Beautiful colors. Nice colors that you can wear all the time or to go out. I love it. I'm a very big warm palette person. Like for my everyday, like if I'm gonna go out, so I'm gonna go do something interesting, then I'll probably like, you know, go towards like the cool tones. But normally all the, like, I'm a warm tone person. Come on, I'm brown. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one called Taupe de Taupe. Taupe de Taupe. A nice little transition shade, and I'm just gonna buff that into the crease here. And then let me get my zoomy mirror for this. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get me, I'm doing a full face of makeup to go eat wings in my car. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Because come on, look at the situation that we're in. Can do nothing. So that's my plan for today. That's as much as excitement as I'm going to get. Oh, I can't wait. I haven't had my wings in a long time, so I'm like super excited. Oh yeah, so that's actually another thing I meant to say. I started a family vlog kind of channel. I'll go ahead and link it in the description below if you guys want to check it out. I'm actually gonna film my delicious wing mukbang today. These are the best wings you can get ever. So I'm very excited. And now I'm going to go in with, you know what sucks, that most of my brushes are dirty. So like my usual go-to brushes are in the dirty pile. So I have to make do with what I have. I'm actually gonna go in with this one called Merlot Mondays. It's kind of had like a mauve-y. Yes. Oh, I like this color. I like it a lot. You know what sucks about all this? You really emphasize on my little eyebrow hairs there. I'm telling you, it sucks with all these freaking nail salons being closed. I'm gonna have to do a one-on-one with me and my brows later on. So, moving on to my other favorite part, the shimmer part. I love shimmer shadows. Glittery shimmer, you name it. I'm gonna use a nice flat shadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with, oh, I can't decide. There's so many cute colors in this that I cannot decide which one I want. So I'm gonna go in with this one that says VIP vibes. All right. Oh, it looks creamy. No fallout. Let's see how this goes. Oh, it's actually way more subtle than I thought it was going to be. I might need to use a bigger brush. Definitely creamy, but like not, I need a bigger brush. It doesn't, you have to like hurry up and blend it out. Let me see. But they're definitely like creamy shades. Ooh, I think I might have put too much there. But beautiful colors, beautiful colors. too bright. No, it's so cute. I hate my camera sometimes because it times out and I never can tell where I timed out. So I went in with the shade Deep Soul here in the outer corner just to kind of like give it, you know, a little bit of a dimension. Oh, I hate my camera sometimes. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the eyeliner. And I have two, and I don't know which one to pick. I have these both I haven't tried. I have one from Illamasqua and one from Girl Actic. Girl Actic I just got actually this month, and then Illamasqua I got a couple of months ago, and I haven't tried it yet because my holy grail liner is the NYX liner. I love that thing. I love that thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with Girl Actic, and let's hope for the best. I'm gonna use this palette mirror for this. So I start, what is this? I start off here in the middle of the eye. Okay, so far so good. Coming up a little higher. And okay, not terrible. My biggest pet peeve with these pen liners is that the edge and the tip, the last part, tends to like not, you know what I mean? Like it's not full of ink. So that's why I don't like really using these too much, because I would much rather use dipping. So, you know, for sure you have color on there. Anyways, let me go ahead and do the other eye. Okay. And on the inner corner, I am going to put something really cute. This one called, I'm gonna put this one called Peach Fizz. Let's see how that works out. Ooh, I am loving it so much. Okay, so let me go ahead and work on the rest of the face. Let me give the eyes a little bit of rest. So for the face, I'm going to be using the Doll 10. I don't know what this is called. It said it on the box. It's like complexion palette or something like that. So first of all, let's talk about this packaging. It is a rose gold glass packaging, like a mirror finish packaging. Beautiful. And inside it has 2 contour shades, looks like 2 highlighters, 2 blushes, and a like a banana powder, you would say. Beautiful colors. So I'm gonna be using this new brush that I got, and I really wanted to use this for foundation and I totally forgot until this very moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it for the contour. I'm using the darker of both shades because I'm a dark mama. Well, you know, darkish. And I might have used too much. Okay, so that's that. And then we're gonna go in with this rosy color for the blush. Let me not exaggerate on that. I wish I would have had a better brush, but like I said, most of my brushes are dirty, so I'm making do with what I have. The problem with I feel like blush never picks up on camera. It's so weird for me. I don't know. Like, I know it's there because I see it's on there, but for some reason on camera it never picks up. It's so weird. So I'm just putting that here on the apples of my cheeks and blending it out. And now let's go ahead and highlight. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this more champagne color because the other one is way too pale for my skin tone anyways. And let's see. Might have to pack that on. There we go. Yes, perfect. And the contour actually ended up blending in like nicely. Like it wasn't as dark. At first it kind of looked like a little intimidating, like it was like too dark. But now I actually think it looks fine. It was just me, but I think it looks good. Yes. Let me go ahead and curl my lashes, and then we'll move on to the lips, and then we'll set, and then we're done. And then I can go get my wings. Okay, so now this one I was very excited for. This is the NARS. What is this? This is the NARS. Here, give me a second because I'm super blind. The NARS lip pigment. I think it's like matte lip pigment or something, in the shade You're No Good. And it is a beautiful red shade. And I love me some reds, so we're gonna use that. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. Oh, actually, it's like has like a pink, actually, like a yeah, it has like a pink tone to it. I thought it was gonna be more, or maybe it's like a cherry red. But whatever it is, I like it. Ooh. I just hope it doesn't get all over me when I'm in my wings. I probably shouldn't have gone with red, but I can't help it. I love red shades. They're so freaking cute. Digging it, digging it, digging it. Love it. Bro, who's ready to go eat wings? Me. What? Love it, love it, love it, love it. So let's go ahead and set this face so we can be on our way, because I am starving. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So this is the final look using all new makeup. I love it. I like the shadow. It was super creamy. Like I can't stop talking about it because it's so creamy. Like they were really good. They were blendable. They were nice. The lip shade, bro, what? Super cute. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and also follow me on social media, on Instagram and all that good stuff. It's at MakeupPixie, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Till the next video.